In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in WPS Office Mobile. Highlighting text on your phone is a great way to mark important details, emphasize key points, or organize information while working on documents directly from your mobile device. This feature is especially useful for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to review and edit files clearly while on the go. To get started, open the document you want to work on using the WPS Office Mobile app. This can be any supported document type that allows text editing. Once the document is open, take a moment to adjust the zoom level so the text is easy to read. Having a clear view of the content will help you select text more accurately, especially on smaller screens. When you are ready to highlight, tap and hold on the part of the text you want to mark. After holding for a short moment, selection handles will appear on the screen. Keep your finger pressed down and slowly drag the handles until the selection covers the exact word, sentence, or section you want to highlight. Move carefully to avoid selecting more text than needed. Once the text is selected, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and tap the icon located there. This icon opens additional editing tools related to text formatting. From the options that appear, choose the Highlight feature. After selecting it, you will be shown different color options that you can use for highlighting. Choose the color you prefer, and the selected text will instantly be highlighted. Using different colors can help separate ideas, identify priorities, or visually organize your document. The highlight remains visible, making it easy to find important sections whenever you return to the file. If you want to highlight more text, simply repeat the same process. Tap and hold to select another part of the document, adjust the selection, open the bottom menu again, and choose your highlight color. You can repeat this as many times as needed throughout the document. If you decide to change the highlight color or correct a selection, you can reselect the text and apply a new color using the same steps. This allows you to refine your highlights as you continue reviewing or editing your document. That is how you can highlight text using WPS Office on your mobile device. It is a simple and effective way to keep your documents organized and easy to review. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.